What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share with you how to upload your fonts directly into Canva. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, when it comes to uploading fonts into Canva, you do need a Canva Pro account. Now, if you want to check out the Pro version of Canva, there is a link down there in the description for a 30-day free trial. So if you want to give it a go completely free, check that link down below. Now, when it comes to actually uploading your fonts to Canva, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. So first of all, we're going to need a font so I can upload that font. So let's go over to Creative Fabrica. Now, this is my favorite place to get my graphics and my fonts. As we can see here, there's over 23,000 fonts available to purchase. Now with Creative Fabrica I do have the all access pass and I do pay monthly for this as well, and if you want to check this out as well, there will be a link down in the description. So let's go ahead and just choose one of these. So I'm not going to use Thinklebloom because I actually already have that one, so let's go with this, Baby Love. So we're going to click on that, and then I'm just going to click here for download, and then let that do its thing. So leave that a second, and it should download. There we go. And now what we want to do is just extract the file. So we're going to go into here, right click, and then go to extract just here. And now we have the files that we can go and upload. Now, like I said, there's two different ways to do this. So say you were designing something like this, and then you went to text. Let's just add that for a second. Now, if we click on here, let that load up. Let's get just rid of that for a second. And as we can see just here, it says upload a font. So if we click on that, it's going to take you to the brand kit where you can upload that font. Now, if you're on the home page, like here, we can also go just here to brand kit on the left hand side, and it brings you to exactly the same place. Then if we scroll all the way down here, obviously you're not going to have all these fonts. These are all fonts that I've added. So we have to scroll down the page, and then we can go to here, upload a font. Then we click on that. Let's go to that folder, and then go to here. So right here are the fonts. So let's click on that. It's going to ask you a question. Here we go. Hold on. Please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own babylove.ttf, the right to use it for my intended purposes. And then we click yes. Then it's going to upload, and that's how you upload the fonts. Now, if we go back to, let's go back to here. Let's just refresh that page. And now let's see if we can find that font. So now let's click on the text just there, go here. The font was called Baby Love, I believe. So Baby Love, let's type that into there, and there we go. Here it is. So that's the font that we just uploaded, and now we've got that to create and design books with. So really simple to do. But remember, you do need that Canva Pro account. If you haven't got one and you want a 30-day free trial, then check out that link down in the description below. And if you're liking the Canva tutorials, click right there in the right hand corner right now, because I've already made a playlist dedicated just to Canva tutorials. So go ahead and check that out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.